My name is Carine Saliba, and I am the YEA Committee Chair at the Falcon chapter here in UAE.
Please describe your company.
ASHRAE is a non-profit organization that provides engineers with standards, and the YEA committee stands for Young Engineers in ASHRAE, which is every ASHRAE member, young engineer younger than 32 years old, is part of that committee.
And what services are you offering?
As a YEA committee, we try as much as possible to organize any events, technical events or technical gatherings for our young members and young engineers, as well as social events. And we try as much as possible to involve students at universities and get them involved in our events before graduating.
And what are your expectations for 2018?
The expectations for 2018 are great. We're going to get more members to join us, and hopefully we wish everything will turn out to the best.